What's up, guys? Yeah, we have the stereotypical YouTube intro.
That's me.
We're doing a little different thing today. I actually have an intro where I'm talking. So, we have a special guest on our channel today, our first collab video ever. You want to introduce yourself briefly?
Yes, my name is Ethan Streblo, and that's it. That's who
it.
I am. I'm
Yeah.
from America. I'm from
There we go.
Minnesota.
Yeah, he has a YouTube channel, has lots of cool videos, way more than I do. So if you want to check the link on the description, it's right there. So please like and subscribe. But anyway, today we're gonna try to go to probably Japan's strangest theme park.
It's definitely weird.
Japan has a lot of weird theme parks, but I think this quite certainly takes the cake.
Yes.
But, you know, we're gonna jump right in and show you what that is. Our journey today was to go to a place called Mentai Park in Kobe City, Hyogo Prefecture. The park claims to be the only ever theme park in the world dedicated to fish eggs, more specifically to spicy Cod Road. But before we get there, we had to commute through a system of trains. Alright, so we're almost halfway there.
Only halfway.
Yeah, there's still quite a bit of distance to go. For reference, we've already been on the train for like close to an hour.
Yeah.
So yeah, we got roughly another hour to go. But do you have any idea where we're going to?
I have an idea.
Yeah?
I think it has to do with fish.
Yeah?
I'm pretty sure the whole place is gonna smell like fish, but that's just a guess.
Yeah, probably, yeah.
And make my eyes watery because it's so spicy.
Okay, those are interesting guesses. We'll see if they're true. After the trains, we rode a bus dedicated to the park. And if you couldn't tell, that's the mascot, because it won't be Japan without a mascot to sell the brand. Alright, so we are on the bus. The bus dedicated to this Mentaiko Park.
It's called Mentai Bus.
It's the Mentai Bus, and I'll show you a clip in a bit of what it looks like. But yeah,
It's free. You can get on for free.
and it takes about 20 minutes by bus from here.
So we think it's in just the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it probably will be, so we'll keep you updated. Here we are, the legendary Mentai Park. Mentai comes from the Japanese word mentaiko, which means, as you could have guessed, spicy Cod Road. The giant mascot welcomes you overhead, as if it were directly from Attack on Titan. Anyway, let's jump in to see what's inside. The numerous signs show us all the facts you need to know about spicy Cod Roe. The fish used, how it's made, and even how many individual eggs are in one sack. You can leave this place with a bachelor's degree in spicy Cod Roe production. What immediately caught my eye were these claw machines you could win snacks with Cod Roe in them. We'll try these out later, but for now, it was time for lunch. The food court had a decently sized menu, from Cod Roe rice bowls to Cod Roe ice cream. But I decided on my two favorites, Cod Roe pasta and a giant rice ball. The pasta was amazing, probably the best I've ever had. Alright, so here we got a massive fish egg rice ball. We're gonna open it up and see what it's like. It's like that, pretty big. Gonna take a bite out of it and see. Oh yeah. You can see. It's stuffed with fish eggs. It's focusing on your face. There you go. Yeah. So yeah, pretty good stuff. How are you enjoying your meal so far?
It's good.
Yeah.
I like the spicy level of
Yeah.
the manti.
So what did you order?
So like pork, meat, bun,
Yeah, it's a pork bun, right? Yeah.
pork bun.
But with-
it's just a little bit spicy, and the dough is colored pink, but the dough isn't spicy.
Do you actually taste fish eggs or?
No, you just taste the spiciness.
Oh, okay, interesting. And if you ever get thirsty eating all the spicy fish eggs, this machine will give you cold tea for free at the push of a button. This massive section was dedicated to selling all the various types of Cod Bro items, such as fish stuffed with Cod Bro sauces, Cod Bro chocolate, and even plushies of Cod Bro. This section was their main attraction. After a short video about how Cod Roe is harvested, we get a first-hand look at their factory, how the Cod Roe is processed, salted, and marinated in spice, then packaged right in front of our eyes. You could clearly see the differences in what people were doing, and to see each stage, every step of the process, was pretty entertaining. Leading straight out of the factory was a small theater that was showing cartoons of how these Cod Roe are processed in a comical and dramatic way. They even had multiple episodes. I was impressed by how much effort they put into making these. Leaving the theater, there was a whole play area for children, and Ethan had to use a slide. The trip was almost over, but I had one thing left to do. I had to try and win one of these snacks. I will soon regret this decision.
We're gonna try a different one.
Alright.
The one deep here. This is it. This is it. It's gonna grab.
Oh, it's just painful to watch.
One last.
One left. All right,
All right. What's the strategy? Where does it go?
man. I don't know. I'm not good at these. It's gotta be this though. Come on.
Oh. All right.
Brutal.
We didn't get it.
Brutal.
Yeah. So we got nothing to show for it.
Sad.
But that's showbiz, baby.
Alright,
Alright, we
so
did it.
yeah, that wraps up our experience. What you think of it so far? Or
I liked
so
it.
far, yeah, it's,
So
it's
far,
the
it's
end.
done.
Yeah, it's done.
It's hilarious how many Mentai things they planned and have, and I didn't know how it was made, and now I know how it's made.
Yeah,
So
it was.
I have come and I have left greater knowledge.
Yeah, it was surprisingly educational. The food's good, it's fun, it's entertaining. So yeah, if you're into Japanese food, fish eggs, or anything weird and slightly, not even slightly, really Japanese in general, yeah, I recommend this place.
Totally.
So yeah, anyway, thanks for Ethan for joining me on this
Thanks for
trip.
inviting me. It's a great time.
Yeah, like I said, his channel's in the description below, so check it out and make sure to like and subscribe. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video.
Peace out.
Bye.